In this video, you will find the best possible method to migrate Microsoft OneDrive data items to another OneDrive account. Now, let's begin to know the software features and benefits that will help in the migration process. It helps users to migrate or export the data files of the OneDrive account to Google Drive account safely. The software allows users to migrate the data items from OneDrive to another or the same OneDrive account. The software also helps to download or backup the OneDrive data files completely to desktop or PC. Facilitates users with a feature to type the file extension's name that they want to backup or migrate from the OneDrive account. Let us know the system requirements and software requirements to successfully run the Aryson OneDrive migration tool. Install and run the software. In the source panel, you can view the selected OneDrive option. Tap the log and temp path button and select the desired saving path. Now, click the next button to start the process for migration. Here, you have to click OK to verify your OneDrive account. The software will redirect to the default browser. Select the account from which you need to migrate the data items. After selecting the account, the software will display a successful authentication. Now, return to the software. Here, click OK to go through the same account that is displayed in the pop-up. Now, the software will start scanning the selected source OneDrive account. One can tap the stop button to end the scanning process. After scanning, the software will display all the files or folders of the selected OneDrive account. On the right side of the interface, you will find the OneDrive account ID properties such as account type, size, etc. Also, one can visit the OneDrive account with the software. Click on any file or folder to check the file name, size, etc. Check the folders or files that you want to migrate. Now, click on the next button to proceed further. Tick the feature Select File Extensions and enter the file extension. After that, tap the Add Extension button. It helps to add selective file extensions for migration from the OneDrive account. Check the feature Select Date and enter the start date with an end date to migrate selective data from the entered date. You can add multiple date filters by following the same process again. Choose the option Created Date or Modified Date. Tap the Remove Date button to remove the selected date filter from the Added Date wizard. Click the button Remove All Dates to remove all the date filters from the applied date filter. Tick the option Allow Duplicate Files to migrate similar files from the OneDrive account. After that, click the next button to visit the Destination Account panel. Click on the drop-down and select OneDrive. Tap Next. Here, select the account in which you need to migrate data items. Either you can select the same OneDrive account or another account. Select the option for another account and tap OK. Again, the software will ask to press OK for verification. Here, the software will again redirect to your default browser to authenticate another OneDrive account. Select the destination OneDrive account and it will automatically display a successful authentication. Return to the software and press Yes to continue with the same OneDrive ID. Again, the software will scan the destination OneDrive account and display all the files and folders of the OneDrive account. Select the folder and tap the Next button. After that, the software will display a pop-up that helps to save the folder by the entered name. Now, the migration process has started. You can check the running status, file name, size, etc. At last, click the Migrate Again button to repeat the process. Tap Download Report to view the migration details in CSV formats. Click Exit to close the software.
Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.